दुबई डॉग्स। इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले इस बटन को दबाकर सब्सक्राइब करें और उसके जस्ट बगल में एक घंटे का बटन है, इसको दबा करके नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर ले ताकि ये नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास पहुंचे और आप वीडियो Today there is Eid, in UAE, in Sharjah today.
I'm the cameraman of the Dubai Dogs.
He is cameraman, he is artist, and you know me, I'm actor, and he is he is a villain.
From the Dubai Dogs, all of you Eid Mubarak.
From Dubai Dogs,
Eid Mubarak.
all of you Eid Mubarak. Stay happy.
Eid Mubarak.
This is Manawar bhai, what is
Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak आप सभी लोग को। और ये हमारे कैमरामैन
Again, cameraman.
cameraman is Shams Tabriz. He is very talented guy. Why you are interrupting this? And he is our villain. Mr. Shabbir. Mr. Shabbir. She is oh my god, awesome. It's too heavy. I can't handle. And come, yalla, come, Habibi, yalla, come. He is our doctor's husband, and now he is dieting, huh?
He is Sarafat ke cholo, Mr.
He is my brother, and he is very.
Say hi.
Say
Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Thank you.
Eid Mubarak.
Come, get together.
Oh my God.
And ready, 1, 2, 3. I'll say 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Come. This. Why you are acting too much? Come here inside the frame. Now, guys, we are leaving, and these guys are clicking images. So I came in the frame. Oh, I came. Why you are doing like this?
Click नहीं हो रहा यार.
Click नहीं हो रहा. See, this Shabbir is not a cameraman. Love you guys. Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Please like, subscribe, and comment
दुआ में याद
in
रखो
our
भाई
channel. हाँ, दुआ में याद रखो भाई. दुआ में याद रखो.
और एक
ये
तो
मतलब
selfie
अभी रहमत का महीना खत्म हो गया, लेकिन दुआ में याद रखो भाई.
और चलो.
See this, he is clicking selfie. Ultimate. Now we are moving from Eidgah, and we will go and we will have some sevai and all. आप लोग दुआ में याद रखें और अपने ज़बान पे ज़िक्र इलाही का स्वाद रखें और हमारे इस चैनल को लाइक करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
ईद मुबारक.